relationship between exercise duration and calorie burn. This study analyzed the relationship between exercise duration and calorie burn using secondary data from the CAT Fitness dataset. The dataset consisted of 50 volunteers of different genders and weight. The study focused on examining how exercise duration affects calories burned. Since longer exercise duration generally increases the body energy expenditure. This study used statistical analysis to determine the relationship between these two continuous quantitative variables. We have three study objectives. 1. To determine the relationship between exercise duration and calories burned. 2. To study the effect constant of exercise on the calories burned. 3. To measure the change in calories burned after different duration of exercise. Variable and analysis. We have 3. Variable study, variable rules, and SPSS analytical method. Variable studies, we have 4 quantitative continuous: weight, age, exercise duration, and calorie burn. Variable rules, defining variable which is independent and dependent. Independent, weight, age, and exercise duration. Dependent, calories burn. For SPSS analytical method, the data obtained from the SPSS analytical methods dataset. The SPSS software utilizing multiple statistical methods: descriptive and visual, inference and modeling. Descriptive and visual, descriptive statistic, histogram, box plot, and scatter plots. For inferential modeling, we have correlation analysis and simple linear regression.
For descriptive statistics, there are two main points. The first one is exercise duration. The mean exercise duration was 1.3666 hours, meaning that the volunteers spent around 1 hour and 22 minutes to complete the exercise activities. Next, we have calories burned. The mean calories burned by the volunteers was 1008.06 kilocalorie, showing that each participant burned around 1008 kilocalorie during the exercise session.
And now I want to talk about correlation and regression analysis. For exercise duration versus heart rate, first one, the average heart rate recorded was 106.08 ppm. The average exercise duration was 52.75 minutes. The scatter plot shows an upward trend, indicating that heart rate tends to increase as exercise duration increases. The regression analysis demonstrates a positive linear relationship between the two variables. And for exercise duration versus calories burned, the correlation analysis showed a weight negative relationship between exercise duration and calories burned, which is R equals to negative 0.210. Only 4.4% of the variation in calories burned is explained by exercise duration. R squared equals to 0.044. The regression equation y equals to negative 67.67 plus 1.14x indicates a weak predictive relationship. Therefore, exercise duration alone is not a strong predictor of calories burned.
For key insight and comparison, there is a positive relationship between the duration of exercise and number of calories burned. The participant who took a longer time during their exercise burned more calories compared to the one who took less time, indicating that the longer duration of exercise led to higher energy output. Male participant burned more calories than female participant. This was possibly due to difference in exercise duration. Both male and female participants showed similar results whereby a longer duration of exercise corresponds to higher energy expenditure.
Last but not least, for conclusion. In conclusion, all objectives of the study were successfully achieved. The analysis showed a positive relationship between exercise duration and heart rate. Participants who exercised for a longer period generally recorded a higher heart rate. The findings are consistent with the physiological response of the cardiovascular system during physical activities.